known for her Bollywood acting performances.
It's a very organically made and done song. So that's why I feel even it's more rooted and organic in feeling. So that's one thing about it.
She starred in a recent music video.
We connected with the feelings of the song, and Talim Studios, when I went there, they shortlisted me. I was really, really, amazed and thankful.
Music's India A-list proudly recognizes Saundarya Sharma for excellence in acting.
Hello and welcome to NewsX India A-List. I am Priyanka Sharma and today I am joined with Saundarya Sharma. Saundarya, welcome to the show and congratulations on the release of your music video Mast Barsat.
Thank you so much, Priyanka. I hope you're loving the song.
I am. What is your response to the love that the music video is receiving? And not just the fans, but the music video has also received a thumbs up and a shout out from Salman Khan.
Totally, it's been overwhelming, and it's amazing to start my music video, which is my debut music video with Sajid ji, and this is a tribute and dedication to Wajid sir. And what a way to start! Salman sir tweeted, and he supported our song, and he totally loved it. And apart from that, everyone is loving it, and they've told us that it's been growing on them, the feelings, the music. And, I want to tell you one thing, that the song, there is in the song, particularly, there's only harmonium is being used, no electronic, progressing or anything has been done to it. It's a very organically made and done song. So that's why I feel even it's more rooted and organic in feeling. So that's one thing about it.
Right. So what was
so
it?
Response has been amazing.
Right. Absolutely. And what was it that made you choose this music video specifically as your debut music video?
Honestly speaking, I didn't choose it to be my song. The song chose me, and I auditioned for it, and I met Sajid ji, and there were everybody, and everybody auditioned for it, who's who, and he was looking for someone who really can enact. His only words were that the song is really close to my heart and our heart, and I would want somebody to portray the emotions exactly with the same way we have made it, with the same love. And when he called me, I was like super thrilled and excited. I was like, "You're doing the song," and he saw the audition, and he really saw, everything. He asked about my profile, that, "Oh, you've learned acting from New York Film Academy, so and so." So yeah, I mean, it worked for me. Ultimately, it should work for us.
Right.
And we connected with the feelings of the song. And Talim Studios, when I went there, they shortlisted me. I was really, really, amazed and thankful.
Yeah. So in the music video, you're sharing the screen space with Salman Yusuf Khan.
Salman, yes,
Yeah.
Salman Yusuf
So
Khan.
how was the overall
Ji.
experience of working with him?
Very nice, very nice. I think he's very professional, and he's really a nice guy. He really comforted me. He himself is a dancer, performer. So it made really easy for me to work, because we were just meeting, and we decided to shoot in a very short span. We shot for more than 23 hours in a row. So for that, you really need someone, your actor or your performer, co-performer, to be really gelling with you. We didn't have time to chill or discuss things, but we were just working, and it was really nice working with him.
So how was the experience of shooting in a new normal now that things are finally opening up? What was it anything different?
Of course, it is different. The new normal apparently is actually not that normal, because it was scorching. Daytime we shot. It was very hot, and everybody was wearing masks and everything. But then we were so much energized and pepped up by the song that none of us, even for once, felt that, oh, we are exhausted, we are tired, it's too hot, and this and that. We were so moved by the entire feeling and the enthusiasm to work towards it. I think कुछ चीजें बनी हुई होती हैं, और ये एक बना हुआ मोमेंट था हम सबके लिए.
Right. So now, Saundarya, as far as
Right.
you made your debut in 2017, and now you've taken up an acting course
Yes.
in New York. So what was it that prompted you to take up the course in New York, and how was your overall experience like?
I took up the acting course in Los Angeles
Okay.
with New York Film Academy and
Hmm.
Lee Strasberg Theatre and Film Institute, which was again in Los Angeles. So I was there for 1.5
Okay.
years. And then later on, I was stuck in pandemic in the States.
Hmm.
So, but then, you end up becoming a better human being. You learn so many things. Pandemic has taught us so many things in life, I would just say. So it's been really, really like I've seen the world when I thought that I don't know what's next. My parents didn't know, like I'm stuck there and whether I would be able to finish my course and now what's next. Forget about work. It was a challenge to be on your own and living in a new country.
Right.
But then I think God is kind. Everything ended well, and I'm here. I got work. I met amazing people over there. So yeah, and overall, above all, I've really learned a lot from that because you need to sometimes unlearn to learn a few things. So I wanted to work on my craft because also I feel that nobody can make you an actor. No acting course can make you an actor. Either you're an actor or you're not an actor. You can just polish your skills. I just felt the need to go and explore the world and see what's happening on the other side of the world. And like how far we can go, what all I can do. So I was trying things even in Hollywood. I had gone there for auditions and things started to fall in place, which I would discuss if things happen smoothly in your future. For that, we'll have to do another interview. Right now, we'll talk about my stuff.
So, as you mentioned that 2020 was rough for a lot of people. The pandemic hit,
Right.
and there were multiple lessons that you learned during this phase. So, what were your key learnings during this phase?
I think this pandemic has made us very considerate and very better human beings, I would say, because we were not very compassionate as human beings. It has given us value for our time and living being. Because I realized that what is life? Life is so short when you start to live on your own, and a situation which we had never ever imagined, a pandemic situation. So it was a reality check for all of us that how fast we are moving in this world and leaving behind what. So I definitely believe we all are better human beings today, and it has made us more compassionate, more considerate, and to take life more positively and live happily every ounce of it, every bit of it.
Absolutely. And last but not the least, tell us about your upcoming projects. After Mast Barsat, what can the audience expect from you?
After Mast Barsat, they'll have to hear Mast Barsat for enjoy it for a couple of more months.
Okay.
And then I have a lineup of 4 web series and 2 movies coming up, for which I will discuss again. Otherwise, I'll dobara interview nahi loge if I disclose everything here. But yeah, hopefully, I will announce things really soon.
Looking forward to those announcements. And that's a wrap from
Thank
our
you.
end. Thank you so much for joining us on the show.
Thank you. And I would just request all the viewers and subscribers to go on Taaleem Music, subscribe, like, and please shower all your love, give your blessings to us, and listen to our song Mast Barsat. I hope you all enjoy it.
Right. Listen to Mast Barsat, and that's a wrap from our end. Thank you so much.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.